Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arcane. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss another Java program using BlueJ IDE. And today's problem is that to take a number as input using scanner class and find out the factors of that number. What does mean the factors? Means the number which is divisible by those numbers are known as their factors. Suppose, for an example, if we find out the factors of 10, then the result will be 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay. So here I am using the BlueJ IDE and here I will write the code for to find out the factors of a number. Okay. Hello friends, so now I am just within the BlueJ IDE. Now at first we create the class and then we write the code for to find out the factors of a number. Okay, at first just click new class and suppose we put the class name find underscore factors. Okay, and press OK. So this is the class file and just right click and just open editor. So by default written something within that, so just delete it. So as our program is concerned, there we should take the input. So in that case we should import java.util.scanner class. Okay, now we put our class name find underscore factors. Okay, here I am writing the code within the main method. So just write public static void main send as argument string array string args. Okay, now here take some variable. So at first we take int n where we take the number. For that number we are finding the factors. Okay, now another variable is I and another variable r. Okay, and at first as interactive way we should write system.out.println enter the number double quote parenthesis close semicolon. Now at first we instantiate the scanner class. So just write scanner sc equal new scanner. So sc is the instance variable of that class scanner. Okay, and send as argument system.in. Okay, parenthesis close and semicolon. Now we should take the input and within the variable n. So just write n equal sc dot next int because n is an integer. Clear? Here we write our logic and the logic is that we just check from 1 the number is divisible or not. Okay, so just write for within parentheses just write I equal 1 semicolon I less equal n means we should go up to n because the factor for any number is concerned the number itself also. Okay, and after I plus plus and then open the braces and within that brace we should write the logic. Now we just check that the number is divisible by each and every number or not. In that case just write r equal n percent I because the percent the operator through which we can find out the remainder. If the remainder is 0 then we can say the number is divisible, and here we put a condition if r equal 0. In that case we just print what we print system.out.print. we don't write print ln because we need one after another after comma. Okay, so here we write I plus means we just concatenate within double quote just write comma double quote end parenthesis close semicolon. Okay, then close our for loop, then close our main method and then close our class find underscore factor, then compile it. There is no error. Now just call this main method and within the console just written enter the number. Suppose we put the number is 10 and press enter. Yes, the factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. So these numbers are the factors of the number 10. Okay, now again if we run this program and enter suppose 45. So this is the factors for 45. So 1 is divisible, 3 is divisible, 5 is divisible, 9 is divisible, 15 is divisible, and 45 itself divisible. Okay, so I hope you have understood today's topic, how to find out the factors of any number through Java program. And here I'm using the BlueJ, and here I'm using the BlueJ IDE version 4.1.4. Okay, so for new topics you should write in the comment section. Okay, I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.